Another screws.
Alright, so we're working on some more progress in the new chicken house, coop, whatever. Alright y'all, we got another section done now. We still got to close in this part, and this is going to be the brooder room area for the baby chickens. And it's not the prettiest thing in the world because I'm not a carpenter, but this is what we got for this part here. And in here is where we're going to have our banner chickens and put some nests in here. And I got to put some roosting poles. And then there's going to be the little entrance way for them to go out in the chicken run. Alright, in here, all we have to do is put roosting poles. We got the chickens in here. Here's our run outside. I'm going to have to tie that up. But anyway, gives them a pretty good little amount of space out here. Alright, we got the rooster over here gonna lay an egg now. Got a roosting pole, waterer, and a feeder. Alright, this here is the brooder room that I was talking about making for the baby chickens. And here's we got them in the tub here. And through this door is where we got the banner room.